Proven email marketing tips and tricks for the average person. There are few businesses that wouldn't benefit from an effective email campaign. The key to an efficient email marketing campaign is to reach out to the right people and offer them things that they want. The information in this video will help you do just that by giving you advice and tips to make the most of your email marketing. To make sure your emails don't turn people off, always seek permission before sending them out. Include a subscription button on your site, and encourage regular customers to have their friends sign up as well. If you'd like to give people some extra encouragement to subscribe, you could feature subscriber-only deals. Ask your customers for feedback on your emails. Since your customers are the most important part of your campaign, it is important to know if they are pleased with the emails they receive from you. You could ask them to fill out a short survey with a few questions on what they like and what they dislike. If you run out of ideas for your email marketing campaign, try allowing your customers to assist you. Do things like write down questions that you receive from customers. Then when you go to send the next email, you have a topic. Make sure to include the customer's name for credit too. Try out new formats with your email. Include important details and the latest information right at the beginning of your emails. You should also test out different formats and determine which format your readers respond to the most. When you find your formula for success, stick with it. This can help your consumers know what they can expect from your messages and where to find information they need. Don't include the use of newsletters in your email marketing campaign. You can send the people on your opt-in list relevant emails about particular topics instead. You will attract more people when they know that they will only be receiving information that they are interested in, and that they will not have to sift through an entire newsletter to get it. As previously noted above, there are few businesses that wouldn't benefit from the use of an effective email marketing campaign. The information and advice from the video above will help you craft and launch a marketing campaign that will offer your loyal customers what they want and to bring potential customers to your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.